guys, I just met up with Ray. Super happy ako kasi hindi ko in-expect. Pero ayun. By the way, hi guys, welcome to my vlog. We're done.
Victoria, meron dyan. Victoria.
You're gonna buy that?
I have no idea, bro.
Chera has been looking for the Statue of Liberty. Here's the Statue of Liberty that you're looking for.
I know, but it's not.
That's the Statue of Liberty that
No,
you were
I'm looking for the real one.
That's the real one.
No, it ain't.
Guys, I wanna buy one and let Jay unbox it. So cute. Fit check! I'm doing a vlog. Say hi, vlog.
No.
Come on. Say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
We just took pictures there. Yes! Cousin!
Grabe yung lalakaran natin.
Yeah. Jira said this one's Alvin,
That
Simon,
Wow.
and there's Theodore. Where's Theodore? There he is. So cute. Look at them. He's doing it again. He told me to show my teeth. Like this, Jero. Ain't he?
I don't have any kids.
Sing it again.
In New York. In New York.
Auntie sayaw. Hindi niya alam, ilalagay ko to sa YouTube. Okay, what did you tell me earlier?
You made me say it to
No,
you.
come on, say it.
Ate Victoria's my favorite cousin.
Oo.
You made me say it.
No, I will edit it. I will edit
No,
it.
you made me say it. She made me say it.
If you keep on saying that, I won't let you hug me.
Eh.
Say, Ate Victoria is my favorite cousin.
Ate Victoria's my favorite cousin.
Nakalabas na kami ngayon sa Central Park and papunta kami ngayon sa Times Square. Charot lang guys. Mukhang babalik pala muna kami sa hotel bago kami mag Times Square later. Kasi umaambon din. Guys, nakapagpahinga na kami and we're on the way to Times Square. We're going to Times Square! Pupunta kami sa K-pop store. Wala pa rin excited. Do this! No. Thank you.
Yes.
Wow. Guys. Wow, BTS. Hey guys, there's Jollibee. I want some. Naalala ko na dito sa port na to yung orange na dati nung Enhypen. Nung punta ko dito sa Times Square. Guys, dito sa Good Morning America nag-perform yung Enhypen. Sweet Venom ata yun.
Actually, dapat engine-log to. Pero kasi wala talaga akong makitang eme kanina habang naglalakad kami dito sa New York. But, buti na lang, individual sent me 2 phone cases. Customized siya actually and ako talaga nag-design. And ito yung first one. It's so cute, guys. Tatlo kasi bias ko. It's Sunwoo, Songhun, and Jongwon. And cute na cute talaga ako sa pictures nila na to. Kaya ko siya ginawang phone case. Next, dahil Desire Unleash era ng ENHYPEN, I made a Songhun phone case. I'm actually planning on using this sa concert ng ENHYPEN this August. But I don't know kung ito ang gagamitin ko or this one. Pero baka most likely this one na lang gamitin ko. Kasi plano ko mag-Songhun outfit sa concert. So, ayun. Thank you, Individual, for sending me these phone cases. Super high quality din ng print. So, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this kahit maikli lang siya. Thank you for watching. Bye!